Good everyone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you all how to add your Google Map to your web page. So take note, this system is connected to the internet, and for the Google Map to work on your web page, you need an internet connection. Okay. So let me run this first. Okay. So this is our web page. So come to your browser, you search for Google Map, then click on it. Then in this place here, you search for the place that you want to add. Let's say I choose the Great Tech Academy, Auchi, and you click on share. Then you come here, you click on embed a map. Here you can share it to any of the processes here available, any of the app here, either to WhatsApp, X, or anyhow. Okay, so just leave this place now. Just come to your embed a map. You can, yeah, by default is on medium. You can come here to choose a different size, small. We have the medium, we have the large, we also have the custom size, and on this custom size you'll be able to manipulate the width and the height. So you can come here to change the width, come here to change the height if you want to do that. Okay, so let's go back to choose a medium size, and you come here, you click on copy HTML. Okay, so when you click on it, you see copy to clipboard. You will now be able to this link here, you've already copied it. So let's go back to our web page, and let me split the screen. So this is our web page here. Let me change the title to, let me say, Google Maps. Okay, so Google Maps, as you can see here, this is our web page here. So here inside the body, I'm just going to paste that link that I copied. So you can see. Okay, so now you can see the map here. Okay, so you see the map now on our web page. So this is the map on our web page. So you can use this on your footer section. Okay, you can use this on your footer section. So I'm going to be manipulating the width and the height manually here. So let's look for that place. Now you see here, you see width here, you see 600, you see height here, you see 450. So yeah, I'm going to be changing this. Let's say we want to turn the width to, let's say, 350. Now just watch closely. Now you see the width was adjusted. Okay, we've adjusted the width. Yeah, we can also say 350 for the height also. Okay, so you can now see 350. I can change it to 300. Come here, say the height should also be 300. So let's see. Okay, so we can also add a frame border. Yeah, let me say the frame border should be 1. So it's going to give it a frame. As if you take a good look at this now, you are now seeing a border around it. You can see a border this side. Okay, so let me change it to 0. Okay, so this is just basically how to add a Google map to your web page. So we can go back to our Google Maps here. We can decide to choose a different location. Let's say we want to choose Lagos. Okay, and sorry, and hit on the enter bar here, the enter key. So we'll come here, we'll say share. If you have an actual place, you can search for it. Okay, so we come here, we say share, embed a map. Then let's say we choose the small size. You come here, you copy, you go back to your code here. Come back to your code here. Let's add it. Okay, another map. Okay, now you can see the other map here, Lagos. You can see it here. Okay, either we're able to zoom in or zoom out and so on. Okay, so let's go back to adjust. Let's adjust the width and the height. So it's going to take the same width and the height with the previous map that I have here. Okay, so 300 by 300. So let's change it to, let's say, 300 also. Okay, the height is already on 300. So we are going to have you see, so they are now uniform. So yeah, we can add a break line here to differentiate between the two maps. Okay, so you cannot see it. Let's add more break lines so you will be able to see it clearly, the space. Okay, so this is the first map here, and this is our second map. Okay, so you can also tweak this, you can manipulate this. Let's say you want to center it, so you come here, you cut it, and you paste it inside, so it's going to be on the center of your web page, as you can see here. Okay, so this is just how to add Google Maps to your web page.